Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. This is Neha from channel Neha Crochet and welcome to episode 7 of Beginners to Pro Crochet classes. In this episode, we are going to learn how to make double crochet stitches. In previous video, I have explained how to make half double crochet stitches. I hope you all have practiced enough and you are good to learn how to make double crochet stitches. For that I am again using baby soft yarn. I have just changed the color for better visibility because this color has clear stitches visibility in video, so I am using this shade beige instead. The quality is exactly same as the purple one, and this is baby soft yarn. This is our same hook, 3.5 mm of hook. So let's get started. We will begin with slip stitch as always, slip knot, insert your hook, fasten the thread. Okay, now we will start with chain 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, so if you remember, for single crochet stitches and double crochet stitches, half double crochet stitches, we used to increase it by one chain only to skip. Now for double crochet stitches we will do two more chains like this. Okay, two more chains we will do and we'll skip these two extra chains. Now we will skip these two chains. Now yarn over. From here only we'll start our double crochet stitches into the chain spaces. So now yarn over, skip the two stitches, insert your hook into the third chain space like this, pull. So until this I think you are familiar because in previous video we have learned how to make half double crochet like this. But here this time we'll not pull the thread through all three loops together. Instead we will pull it from first two loops. Okay, so yarn over, pull it from first two loops. Now again we will have two loops left in our hook. Second time also we'll yarn over and pull from these two loops. So basically it is two single crochets we are making on like back to back we are making two single crochets in one stitches. It is more like this. Okay, so again we are doing yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, chain space, pull. Now three hooks are there in the hook, three loops are there, yarn over, pull from first two loops like this, and now we have again two loops remaining in the hook, pull from the next two loops also. So this is how it makes one double crochet. So we have already made two double crochets, right? And the height of these stitches is good enough, that's why we are doing two chains, extra two chains we are skipping here. Okay, because these are the length of these stitches usually combines two single crochet stitches length. Okay, now again yarn over, insert your hook into the third chain space, pull. Now three loops in the hook, pull from first two loops and then pull from last two loops like this. Again yarn over, insert, pull, pull from first two loops, pull from last two loops. In beginning you might not be able to pull from first two loops very smoothly, so you might need to hold this loop with this finger and then you can pull it easily from the first two loops while you will hold this loop. Okay, now we have two loops, now we can simply pull from the last two loops. Again yarn over, insert, pull, pull from first two, then pull from last two. Again yarn over, insert into next chain space, pull, pull from first two, pull from last two, yarn over, insert, pull, pull from first two, pull from last two, yarn over, insert, pull, pull from first two loops, pull from last two loops, yarn over, insert, pull, pull from first two loops and then pull from last two loops. So this is how 10 double crochet stitches looks like. So for dresses or any woolen crochet if you are doing, this is the most commonly used stitch, double crochet stitches, because for baby dresses, for adult dresses, sweaters, cardigans, frocks, and anything if you are making for with woolen yarn, so this is the most commonly used stitch. So you should be very smooth with this stitch if you are learning crochet. So this is how double crochet stitch looks like. Now I will show you how to add row to this. Now we will begin with, similarly when we skipped 2 chains here while beginning the row, here also we will do chain 2 for beginning, 1 and 2. If you remember, in single crochet and half double crochet we used to do only chain 1 because the stitch size, height of the stitches was small. Here the height of the stitches, you see, it is more like combining 2 single crochet stitches height. Okay, so here for that matter we will use chain 2 and then we'll turn our work. Now these chain 2 stitches we will skip, yarn over, and into this first space on top of our this double crochet stitch, here in this loop we will insert our hook, pull the yarn. Now 3 loops into the hook, again pull from first 2 loops, hold this one and pull from first 2 loops. Now into the last 2 loops we'll insert and pull. Now again yarn over into the second space, we'll again make 1 double crochet, pull, pull from first 2, pull from last 2, yarn over into the third one, insert, pull, pull from first 2 and pull from last 2. So this way we'll make 1 double crochet on top of every stitch. So at the end we should be having total 10 stitches. Yarn over, pull, pull from first 2 and pull from last 2, yarn over, insert, pull, pull from first 2 and pull from last 2, yarn over, insert, pull, pull from first 2 and pull from last 2, yarn over, insert, pull, pull from first 2 and pull from last 2, yarn over, insert, pull, pull from first 2, pull from last 2, yarn over, insert, pull, pull from first 2, pull from last 2, yarn over, insert, pull, pull from first 2 and pull from last 2. So this is how double crochet stitches look like. We have made 2 rows. Now count the stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, I will tell you what exactly we need to count. You see these loops, right? These braided loops, we need to count these loops. So these makes 1 stitch. So on top of every double crochet stitch we have these loops, right? So any type of stitch if you want to count, you just need to count these loops, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now if you want to increase 1 more row, add 1 more row, so chain 2, we'll begin with again chain 2, skip these 2 chains and into the very first stitch, yarn over, insert, pull and make 1 double crochet like this. So if you will keep on practicing, you will get a good speed. So for today I want you to practice double crochet stitches as much as you can. At least make 10 such rows and make a palette of 10 double crochet rows. consisting 10 double crochets in each row, like this. Okay, so I hope you have learned today how to make double crochet stitches. If you have any doubts, you can comment in the comment section. I would be happy to help you. And in next video we will learn how to make triple crochet, because it is again one of the important stitches that you should like, it is good to learn. It is not a necessary stitch without which we cannot do crochet, but it is a good stitch to learn. So I will explain you how to make triple crochet stitch as well, and trust me, it is very useful once you know how to use triple crochet stitches. For today, double crochet stitches you need to practice as much as you can, and I'll meet you in episode 8. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in next episode.